Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day. Let's go over the markets. I'm going to share my screen here. All right. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. The Dow was down 201 point. All right. So 200 points down. NASDAQ was down. S&P was down. Russell was down. All right. So across the board, equity markets were down today. Okay. Now, been talking about the dollar index. All right, that we could get some. We could see some buying come in. All right, kind of like what happened here. All right, and that's exactly what we got today. All right, so now we don't have a green candle, but we do have a white candle here, and that is, if we can get a green candle, that's very bullish. All right, so just like we talked about here. All right, buy signal, sell signal, red candles. Right, held the trend line here, then white candle, follow through here. Same thing is happening here. All right, so the dollar index held the trend line right here, held the trend line, big white candle, right, today. And guess what, right? So we're moving higher. You guys should have seen some movement in the dollar pairs today. And currently the dollar index is up. All right, so just remember that. All right, again, we don't have confirmed buying yet, but that's we could see buyers come back in just like they did before right here. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at current positions. All right. Current positions in Monster Scalper. All right. Before we do that, though, guys, yes, we had some selling today, but the buy signals are still holding firm. Okay. So the Dow right here, Dow, S&P, right, NASDAQ. All right. I'm still waiting on a buy signal on the Russell here, but across the board, we have buy signals. VIX moved up a bit, so volatility, all right, 1229, still very low, all right, for the VIX for volatility. So current position, let's go through those. All right, we'll start with the 60-minute, right, in Monster Scalper. Let's look through those trades here. 60-minute time frame. All right. Our long positions. We don't have any shorts right now, guys. So long positions in Monster Scalper. All right. So New Zealand yen. All right. Buy signal here. All right. Buy signal here. Red candles. Close the trade, guys. All right. So you guys will notice we're moving a bit faster now. We're on the 60-minute time frame. So, right, things are moving a bit faster. Aussie yen, buy signal here, sell signal. We should be out of that trade. Aussie yen, close that trade, please. All right, ZAR yen, buy signal was here. All right, previous resistance becomes support. All right, buy signal here, sell signal right here. Red candle, we should be out of ZAR yen. All right. I want to take a quick look at pound yen. Let's see what pound yen did. GBP, JPY, just curious. Hold on. GBP, JPY, pound yen. All right, so pound yen still holding. All right, good trade going here. Pound yen. All right, pound yen. I thought we had that. There, pound yen. All right, Aussie dollar, buy signal here, sell signal, close that trade, please. Aussie Swiss, I mean. All right, New Zealand dollar. All right, buy signal here, close, sell signal, red candle, right? So, guys, that first red candle, that's where we should be out of the trade, okay? Don't wait on these sell signal if we've got a white candle. All right, so New Zealand dollar, close that trade, please. All right, New Zealand Swiss, buy signal here, right? Bit of a pullback, held, all right, still holding firm. Next target here, we need to get to that resistance level here. So New Zealand Swiss holding firm. New Zealand CAD, same thing. Buy signal here, bit of a pullback right here, but held. Green candles holding firm there. All right, New Zealand CAD, dollar pairs. All right, dollars are, guys, buy signal here, holding really good. We just took a look at the dollar indexes. So we know what's going on with the dollar. Here is your a really good markdown phase. This is dollar ZAR. All right, we could see that dollar index move higher. Okay, this will help the dollar pairs. All right. All right. So here we are. Buy signal here, target at resistance here. All right. Good trading going there. Dollars are USD, SEK. All right. Here's your markdown phase, buy signal, a bit of a pullback. All right. USD, SEK needs to break through resistance, near term resistance right here. That's the goal. Okay. And here's your markdown phase here. All right. Right here. Markup phase. All right, so we need that price action to hold all green candles, get up near that resistance area, and then break out. All right, USD SEK. And again, we're getting help from the dollar index. Okay, USD HUF, here's your markdown phase, buy signal on a break of resistance, holding firm here. USD HUF right here. USD PLN, right? Good markdown phase. Look at this. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Need to break through resistance, near-term resistance right here. USD PLN, USD MXN, that's your Mexican peso. Good markdown phase right here. Buy signal, moving up nicely, right? Bring in your V's. All right, right here. And right here. And here's your target right here. All right, USD MXN, USD DKK. All right, buy signal here. Dollar pairs are moving higher, guys. Target is right up here. If it holds, all the way up here. Okay. All right, USD DKK. We have a lot of dollar pairs. USD. All right, USD SGD. All right, right here. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Target all the way up here. All right. Dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. Target. Buy signal here. All right, red candle. We've gotten back in. All right, all the way up here is your target. All right, buy signal all the way down here. Okay, good markdown phase. That's dollar CAD. USD HKD. All right, this one closed, guys. So buy signal was here, red candle, close the trade. Please look at this. Really good markdown phase. If we get another buy signal, right, we can certainly look to get back in. USD CZK, buy signal here. That's holding, good markdown phase right here. All right, so good markdown phase, buy signal right here. That's holding firm. Okay, USD CZK. Those are all the longs in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame. Let's take a look at the 240. Okay, so 240-minute time frame, guys. All right, HKD JPY. All right, buy signal here, guys. It's breaking resistance right here. All right. Keep an eye on the yen pairs. All right. HKD JPY breaking out nicely there. CAD yen. All right. Buy signal here. Just holding right now. Aussie yen, that closed, guys. So great trade here. Finally closed. Not a bad trade. All right. So bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Price broke resistance. Red candle, sell signal, white arrow here, close the trade. So Aussie yen, close that trade, please. Euro yen, buy signal here, holding. We need to break through that resistance. Okay. So Euro yen, holding firm. SGD JPY buy signal here, breaking resistance right here. All right, pound yen buy signal here, holding here. I need to bring back pound yen. Hold on, right here. UY. Okay, pound yen on the 240 buy signal here. Great trade going, guys. Right here, looking to break through that resistance. Okay, right here. Same should happen on that 60-minute time frame. ZAR yen buy signal here, bit of a pullback. All right, we need to see buyers come back in, move higher. Okay, just like they did here. Okay, it's holding that trend line nicely here. So we could see buyers come back in on ZAR yen. Aussie yen. All right, so Aussie yen. All right, buy signal here. All right, buy signal here, sell signal right here. Hey, Anthony, welcome. All right, so buy signal here, close, broke support, close the trade, please. All right, so that's on the 240, guys. So New Zealand dollar, all right, bought here, sold here, break of support, buy signal here on a break of resistance. That failed, guys. Did not last long. Broke support, so close the trade. So New Zealand dollar, close the trade. And just remember, with the dollar index moving higher, we could see these dollar pairs move much higher. Okay, New Zealand CAD, right? Buy signal here, holding firm. Purple support and resistance. Just keep an eye on that. Purple support and resistance. We've got lower highs, lower lows within, all right, within the markup phase. We have resistance here, right here is resistance. Buy signal came in right here on this big candle here, holding here. We need that to continue to move higher. It is trading fairly well though, okay, right, in the markup phase. So that's reaccumulation. So bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, breaking resistance now with another buy signal, holding right here. We just need New Zealand CAD to break through, but good trading there, okay? And again, the dollar pairs, right, on the 60-minute time frame, keep an eye on those, okay? We'll look for some opportunities this evening in, let me make a note, in Monster Scalper on the 240, okay, 240 time frame. I think we find we loaded up right here, all right, on the 60-minute time frame, but we'll see if we can add on the 240, okay. All right, current positions in equities. Let's take a look at those. Now, the market was down today, so let's see if these trades held. We'll start with Stock Boss. All right, AMC. All right, AMC still holding, guys. Holding support right here. That's good. All right, holding support right there. Hey, Solomon, welcome. So AMC is holding. That's all we need right now. We just need to hold. Right, we don't need any red candles or sell signals. So we need it to hold and start moving higher again. AMC. GameStop, same thing, holding firm right here. Okay. ORGN, that's holding. All right, buy signal here, Really good markdown phase, buy signal, markup phase right here. Let's bring in, this is such a good markdown phase here. Let's bring that in here. All right. Actually, and gap down too. So let's bring this in. So your markdown phase, here it is right here. All right. Buy signal, broke resistance right here. And here's your markup phase. And it's holding firm in the markup phase. Okay. All right. So buy signal here on a break of resistance. All right. A bit of a pullback here. Buyers came back in, pull back here. Buyers are coming back in. Okay. Buy signal on this was 67 cents, trading at 96 cents. Okay. All right. ORGN. All right. ALLK. That's holding right here. Target on this one here. First target all the way up here. All right. Hopefully we can fill that gap on the way up. CDMO. All right. Good markdown phase. Look at that, guys. We love all that good selling. All right. Buy signal here, broke resistance. Now heading in the markup phase. Target on this one. And we have a clear path. Look here. Good markdown phase. So we have a clear path. Not a lot of consolidation back up. All right. So that's good news. Okay. So like I said, don't be like me. Go ahead and draw in your lines. Okay. Mark down, markup. Okay. CDMO. EBS, same thing. Good markdown phase, guys. Look at that. All that good selling. That's your discount. All right. Accumulation, buy signal here. Now we're moving up. And your first target. All right. So here's your markup phase, holding firm. Buy signal came here on a break of resistance right here. Target all the way up here. Okay. Always pay attention to how the markdown phase looks. All right. If it's choppy, it will be choppy on the way back up. If it's smooth, should be smooth on the way back up. Not a guarantee, but that's how it works. ME. All right. ME, guys, support is right here. Keep an eye on it. Okay, white candles, no red candles, no sell signals. Okay, I know this is frustrating when they do this, but still trading between support and resistance. We can certainly see buyers come back in, start moving higher. If you get a red candle or sell signal, close the trade because we have pretty good support here. And look here, when it breaks support, like it broke support here, sellers really come in. When it broke support here, sellers really come in. So it needs to hold right here, keep moving higher. Okay, ME. All right, follow your process, follow your system. Okay, especially our stock boss traders. ADTN, that's holding right here. ONL, all right, good markdown phase right here. All right, came from a high, good risk reward too, guys. This stock fell from 1365. All right, buy signal came in at 336. Okay, a little pressure. Market was down today, but still holding all green candles. We needed to get to its first target right here. ONL. All right, MAXN. All right, remember these are small caps, guys. So most of these we can get these coming out of the markdown phase. Large caps, right? We can do a reaccumulation with those. Okay, so market, that's what they're buying right now. You know, the VIX is still struggling to give us a buy signal. All these small, I'm sorry, not the VIX, the Russell. All right, remember your stock boss, all these stocks in stock boss, your small cap stocks, they run with the Russell. Okay, so they're under some pressure. All right, your large caps or the Bullmaster. All right, they run with the Nasdaq, S&P. Those they've come out of that markdown phase. Most of those stocks are in that reaccumulation phase. So big difference. Okay, just remember that. MAXN. Buy signal here, really good markdown phase. All right, $3 here, fell from what's that? 37. Okay, all right. First target about right here, 8 and change. And the last one in stock boss, TAC, good markdown phase. Look at that, guys. A beautiful markdown phase here. Think of that markdown phase as your discount, okay? That's your discount. All right, markdown phase, buy signal. Markup phase, buy signal here, all green candles. All right, target. We could bring a target here. So we have resistance here. That could be a first target, next target, all the way up here. Okay. Where the selling started all the way up here. That's your markdown phase, buy signal. We need to take that all the way up. Here's your V right here. Okay. All right, bull master. All right, bull master, large caps. Okay. HE. All right, that's holding. All right. NEP, guys, holding, moving nicely in the markup phase there. All right. All right, good markdown phase. Fell from 85, close today, 34, buy signal here. All right. This is a new one here, RCL, that's reaccumulation right here. All right, Royal Caribbean right here. CLS, another new one, guys. Good trading here, right in the markup phase. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here, reaccumulation. Bought here, sold here. Another reaccumulation trade right here. Buy signal, good price action, moving up nicely. CLS trading really well, guys. 1, 2, 3 so far, profitable trade, current trade right there. All right. Large caps. All right, CRWD, buy signal here. All right, couple buy signals here, struggle to start moving. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, struggling in here. So we've got to get past this resistance here. That's an area here of strong resistance. All right, so broke resistance, buy signal here, moving up, holding. We need this to hold, stay above resistance right here, okay, for buyers to come on in. GNRC, buy signal here, that's moving up nicely. Hood, all right, buy signal here on a break of resistance, pulling back so far, but give it time, all right? Needs to hold, I would say previous resistance is about right here, needs to hold and move higher. HOOD. MIND. Now, this doesn't look like a great trade, right? But it's the nice thing about this trade here, it's hold staying above that gap. That's really good. Usually they will come back, feeling that gap. All right. So when they're holding above that gap, above resistance, that's good. And this one is doing that. Okay. Resistance is right here. Nice big healthy candles above resistance. And again, most importantly, it's not coming back so far to fill in that gap. Okay. That's a very bullish sign. Shows stock is strong. Okay. MNDY. All right. Same thing here. All right. All right. Good, strong stock. All right. NTNX. Look at this. Bought here, sold here. Look at this trade, guys. Beautiful trade on the daily time frame. Wow. Broke resistance here, buy signal, right? All of these areas here, all this support and resistance, guys, every time broke that resistance, that's an area where we could certainly add to that position. Okay. Just be careful scaling up, but great price action here. Bought here all the way at $30 and closed here at 60. Now we have a new trade on a break of resistance right here, moving up nicely there. Okay, NT and X. All right, PSTG buy signal here, moving up nicely. Choppy in here, but it's gotten past that area, a bit choppy in this trade, but not bad. All right, still get a trade out of it. This one here is breaking resistance. All right, again, a bit choppy. So here is resistance here. Here is support. Hold on. And we're just breaking out. All right, so support and resistance right here. We're just breaking out. Here's your mark down here. Long consolidation. Okay, but let's see how that does. More difficult type of trading there. WIX, bought here, sold here. All right, nice break of resistance, gap up. And guess what? It's staying above resistance. Hasn't filled that gap. Very bullish. All right. All right. ANF. All right, hold on. All right. ANF, good trade, guys. Look at these trades. Amazing trades. All right. ANF, good trade here. Bought here, sold here. Buy signal here. Break and resistance. There, good trade. ANF. All right. Let's go through this quickly. GOGO. GOGO. Good markdown phase. Buy signal. All right. Guys, I know we go through these just because we don't trade these. We still go through these. All right. Find your opportunities. But right, we go through these so that you guys can learn how to do this. Okay. MMYT. MMYT. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Markup phase, reaccumulation. All right. Buy signal here, still holding firm. All right. Netflix also bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance, reaccumulation. Here is your V right here. All right. Here's your cup and handle right here. Okay. All right. Let's go through this. Nice. Nice. Good markdown phase. That's your discount. Look at that. All right. Buy signal here, moving up nicely in the markup phase. Good trade in there. Look at this trade, guys. All right. Nice markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal, broke support here. Beautiful trade here. Here's your discount, buy signal here, moving up nicely there. All right. Very good. All right, that's holding. All right, look at this. All right, bought here, sold here, accumulation, markup. All right, mark down, accumulation, buy signal here, broke resistance. All right, markup, break support, broke support, buy signal, reaccumulation. Okay, so we've got to get past on this one here. Got to get past that resistance. Okay. Follow your systems right here. So we know sellers are here. All right. So it is struggling right now, right? Just like it did here, right? Look at it here. So pay attention to this. We need to get past this resistance. Hold, sit. We needed to sit above that resistance, and then we need buyers to continue to move higher. Okay. Good markdown phase. If you look here, mark down, mark up. So here is your V. Perfect V right here. Look at that. Okay. All right. And then mark up right here also. AES. All right. Good trade going. Reaccumulation. Notice that these large caps, guys, you're going to see a lot of reaccumulations in large cap stocks. Okay. All right, reaccumulation there. All right, good markdown phase here, choppy in here. All right, here's your V, markdown, accumulation, buy signal, broke resistance, good price action going there. Okay. All right. So that's it for Bull Master. Now, Bull Master Pro with fundamentals. Okay. Good trade going here. AVGO. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Buy signal here. We need to break through that resistance to see buyers come on in. Carver. All right. New IPO. All right. From last year. All right. Bought here, sold here. Markdown phase. Accumulation. Broke resistance. Buy signal. Right, broke support, sell signal, broke resistance right here, buy signal, keep moving higher right here. Carver looks good. All right, ACGL. All right, buy signal here, bought here, sold here, bought here, moving up nicely there. Okay, and then the last one. All right, choppy but decent trading. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Each of these were for profits, but not a lot of profit. All right. And buy signal here looks good there. Okay. That's a Bull Master Pro with fundamentals. All right. So let's do this. I want to take a quick look. Just run stock ball, see how many stocks came in today. In Heat Seeker for Stock Boss Bull Master. And then we'll take a look at the 240, all right, 240-minute time frame for Monster Scalper. And you guys know we've gotten more active on the 60-minute for Monster Scalper. So you guys should have tons of opportunities, okay, to trade Monster Scalper. But you can use both time frames, your 240 and your 60-minute, okay? And we'll keep on that schedule for a while with both time frames. Okay. Stock Boss, let's run it. So we track 20,000 stocks, 62 today. So that's come down a bit. Bull Master, let's run it. Heat Seeker, 66. So they've come down a bit. That's not surprising after the a bit of a down day, just a down day. That's all. Bull Master Pro, let's see here. All right, still some good buying in Bull Master Pro here. All right, let's see the top. Just take a look at the top in each group. All right, so relative strength at new highs. Top symbol is DY. All right, gapped up today. That's strong, guys. Gapped up on a down day. All right, look at that. Weekly looks good. All that good buying on that weekly time frame. Let's open it up here on that weekly time frame. Remember, these stocks have good fundamentals, not just the price action, not just technical. Okay, fundamentals also. So buy signal here, good one here. All right, new highs. DY is also the top one here on new highs. Okay, so relative strength at new highs, DY, top one in sector leaders. All right, EME, buy signal here. Look at that. Good price action there. Good weekly. Look at that weekly. All that green. All right, that's good. That's our overall trend. So we're following the overall trend, guys. Okay, weekly. Look at that weekly. Look at that weekly. All right, from 140 to 388. Good price action there. All right. Stock Spotlight. All right. Buy signal came in on this. ROAD. Buy signal came in here. All right. Look at the weekly. We don't trade junk, guys. Look at that weekly there. All right. These are really strong stocks. All right. Bull Master Pro. All right. IPO leaders. KSPY. No buy signal. So we need a buy signal there. Top 50. Top 50. Best stocks, NVIDIA. Look at NVIDIA, right? All right. AI. It's the top one. We do need a buy signal. All right. Now it's closed the previous buy. All right. Look at those trades there. Great trades. Okay. Just waiting for a buy signal. That could come in on a break of resistance there. Okay. And that's NVIDIA. I think had earnings today. On the weekly time frame, look here. Look at that weekly, guys. Okay. So everything here in Bull Master Pro, strong, right? Strong. technicals, and strong fundamentals. VRT, right? Big cap, all right? The top 20 big cap, right? Buy signal here looks good. Weekly also looks great there. All right. Rising profit estimates, VRT, also, right? In here. All right. TEVA, what's that? Global leaders. We're tracking global leaders, guys. Buy signal here looks good. Weekly. Always pay attention to your longer time frame. Look at that. That's where you'll find your overall trend, big picture. Okay. And stocks that the funds are buying. All right. So the top one, again, VRT. So those big institutions, they're buying it, guys. They're buying it. Okay. So that's what we've got for Bull Master Pro. Now let's go back to Monster Scalper and the 240. And then we'll be done. Right on time. All right. So Monster Scalper, hold on. All right. 240, we'll go through this quickly, okay? New Zealand CAD, we're in this already. We're looking for new buy signal. Dollar yen. All right, so we're going to add, and the dollar yen might get some lift with the dollar index. So USD, JPY, long in Monster Scalper. Okay, we got a buy signal, guys, that came in right here. All right, today, buy signal right here on a break of resistance. Dollar yen. We're in this one. We're in this one. HKD, we're in this one. We're in this one. Euro yen, we're in this one. Nothing here. CAD yen, we're in CAD yen. Aussie yen, we've closed Aussie yen. Sell signal here. All right, let's take a look at the dollar. We might find some opportunities in the dollar. Dollar ZAR, guys, on the 240, keep an eye on dollar ZAR. We do need the weekly to shape up. I mean, the daily here. The daily to shape up. But green candles coming in here. Look at this. Really good markdown phase. We just need a buy signal there. So keep an eye on dollar ZAR. All right. Not yet. USD, JPY. So they're setting up, guys. USD PLN. And some of these, like we went through the 60-minute, right? We have buy signals on the 60 already. I mean, really good markdown phases, right? USD MXN, USD NOK. I mean, look at this, really good markdown. They're due for some buying, okay? All right. All right, look at this. Good markdown phase. Just setting up. Look at this. Beautiful markdown phase. After these markdown phases, we know what happens. All right. Accumulation, markup. All right. If they fail, stick with them. All right. Might get another chance. USD CNH on the 240. All right. We'll add this one. We do have, now it struggled. Struggled here. Here is resistance here. Previous support is resistance on the way up right here. So right, this whole area right here is struggling. Now it has a buy signal and it is moving up nicely. We'll add it. If the dollar index holds, it should move higher. If not, we'll get a sell signal to get out. So we'll test it for now. USD CNH long in Monster Scalper. Okay, guys. And let's see. Swiss I think this is gone too far. Yes. Dollar Swiss, that's gone. We're not in it. All right, let it go. Now, it's just like CNH, right? It's getting past, this one here is getting past the sellers here, right? Past resistance. Dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. Let's see here. All right, a lot of consolidation in here, guys. All right, just let this go for now. Okay. All right. Pound. Let's see what we've got here. All right, pound ZAR. All right, let's see, pound dollar. Do we have a move in the pound pairs that we're missing here? The pound pairs are making a move. Look at that, pound Swiss. That's a great move here, guys, on the 240. All right, so they're making a move. Let's see if we can find one. We'll add pound ZAR. All right, so we only need one. All right, so pound pairs definitely making a move. All right, pound ZAR, nice markdown phase, buy signal here. This is still close near its buy signal, hasn't moved yet. So we'll add it pound ZAR. All right. Solomon, there was data last night. Yeah, we should have had data last night. Let me know if you didn't have data last night, but you should have had data last night. Pound, just let me know offline when we're done. Pound ZAR, long, 240 in monster scalper. Okay. All right. We just need the weekly. All right. We'll take this on the weekly. We've got a white candle coming in here, little white candle. All right. Let's see. Let's see if we can find one more. That's gone. Gone. Pound New Zealand, very choppy, guys. We have a nice buy signal here, but look here, very choppy. I mean, oof. Yeah, that's fine. We'll leave this. So just pound ZAR for now. Okay. All right, guys. Solomon, just get with me offline regarding that data. Okay. All right, guys. I will see everyone tomorrow. Okay. Take care. Have a good evening. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.